Hello students, so this is zoology first year class. It is the topic name, the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito children. It is very important for NEET and IP also children. IP in 8 marks question is very important, right? Now listen, so this is life cycle of Plasmodium vivax. The life cycle of Plasmodium vivax, listen, it has a totally 4 stages, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. The first stage, gametogony. First stage is gametogony, and second stage, fertilization, and third one, formation of eukinite, and oocyst. The formation of eukinite and oocyst, and fourth one, sporogony. Here children, so these are the main 4 steps in life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito. Listen, so whenever a mosquito, a female Anopheles mosquito bite a malaria patient and suck the blood, so during the sucking the blood, along with blood, some stages, microgametocytes, okay, or macrogametocytes. Here children, the microgametocytes also known male gametocytes, and the macrogametocytes also known female gametocyte. When the blood sucking, during the time, male and female gametocytes enter into the crop of mosquito. Along with that, other stages also enter into the crop of mosquito. Right now, when a female Anopheles mosquito bite a person and sucking the blood, during that time, the male and female gametocytes enter into the crop of mosquito. Along with that, the other stages also of erythrocytic cycle also enter into the crop of mosquito. In crop of mosquito, just only the male and female gametocytes are not digested. The remaining other stages are completely digested, except the male and female gametocytes are not digested in crop of mosquito. Right. Now first we discuss about the first stage, gametogony. So gametogony means the formation of male and female gametes from the gametocytes is called the gametogony. So formation of male gametes from the male gametocyte and formation of female gamete from the female gametocyte. So that is called the gametogony. So the gametogony occurs in the lumen of crop of mosquito. Okay, the gametogony occurred in the crop of mosquito. So what is the meaning of gametogony? Simply the formation of male and female gametes from the male and female gametocytes, that is called the gametogony. Now children, first we discuss about formation of male gametes. Okay, listen children. So this is the formation of the male gamete. You observe clear? First, this is male gametocyte. The male gametocyte has one nucleus now, right? The nucleus of male gametocyte divides into 8 daughter nuclei. Children listen, this is nucleus of male gametocyte and divides into 8 daughter nuclei. Children here, 8 daughter nuclei. Then so these 8 daughter nuclei is called pronuclei. What is the name? Pronuclei. So these pronuclei move peripheral side. Here children, they move into the peripheral side. Here observe clear. The 8 daughter nuclei or 8 pronuclei is moved to the peripheral side of the male gametocyte. Now next children, the cytoplasm of male gametocyte push to outside children. Here children, this is the cytoplasm of male gametocyte. It pushed to out here, pushed out and form a just flagella like structures. Okay, the cytoplasm of male gametocyte pushed out and form a 8 flagella like structures. Now children, the each pronuclei enter into the 8 flagella like structures and to form a male gamete. Okay, listen once again. The nucleus of male gametocyte divides into 8 daughter individuals. Then these 8 daughter individuals are called the pronuclei. Then the pronucleus are moved to the peripheral side of male gametocyte. Now the cytoplasm also pushed out and as a flagella like structures. You observe children, the cytoplasm pushed out and as a formal flagella like structures. So next, the each pronuclei, that means every pronuclei enter into the flagella like structures and to form a male gamete. Right children, here that the male gamete is formed now. Then the male gamete gets separated. Here children, totally the male gametes are formed. Then the male gamete gets separated from the cytoplasm of male gametocyte. You observed clear children, one male gamete is separated from the cytoplasm of male gametocyte. That process is called exflagellation. Children, it is a 2 marks question and important also. The male gametocyte gets separated from the male gamete gets separated from the male gametocyte. That process is called exflagellation. Okay. Now children, the male gamete is formed now. Now second one, the formation of female gamete children. Formation of female gamete. Now this is the formation of the male gamete. Now this is the formation of the female gamete. Simply children, the female gametocyte undergoes to a few changes and to form a female gamete. Okay, that process is called maturation. What is that? Maturation meaning the female gametocyte undergoes to a few changes and to form a female gamete. That is called maturation. Here children, the nucleus of female gametocyte moves to the peripheral side. You observe children, the nucleus here central, now it is moved to the peripheral side. At this point, the cytoplasm just like a projection like structure is formed at that point, right? So that structure is called fertilization cone. Okay. Now the fertilization cone is the structure of this is called a female gamete. Okay children, a simply change. What is that? The new center of the nucleus moves to the peripheral side. At this point, the cytoplasm forms as a projection like structure. That is called a fertilization cone. The fertilization cone of this structure is called a female gamete. Now children, the first step is completed. What is that? Gametogony, the formation of male gamete from the male gametocyte and the formation of female gamete from the female gametocyte. So this is called gametogony. Now children, the male gamete is formed. That male gamete actively moving here children from this. The male gamete actively moving and reach to the female gamete, right? If we reach to the female gamete and enter into the fertilization cone, here children, enter into the fertilization cone of female gamete. Now listen, the fusion of male gamete and female gamete, that is called fertilization. That is the second step, right children? That first one is gametogony is completed. Now second step, fertilization. Okay, the fertilization means the fusion of male gamete and female gamete is called the fertilization. Okay, during the fertilization, the male gamete enter into the female gamete at the point of fertilization cone. Right children, the nucleus and cytoplasm of male gamete, then the nucleus and cytoplasm of female gamete. So both are fused then to form a zygote. Okay children, the female gamete bear syncaryon. The syncaryon is called a zygote. Okay. Now children, here one 2 more question. The structure of male gamete is long in length. Now the structure of female gamete just like oval structure. Right now. So the size of a male and female gametes are dissimilar structure and dissimilar size. That's why this process is called anisogamy. Anisogamy means The dissimilar size of male gamete and female gamete is called the anisogamy. Okay children. After fertilization, the zygote is formed. The zygote, sometimes it is inactive stage. Then after the zygote, the zygote undergoes to long in length and slender, motile, okay, and vermiform like structure. That is called the eukinite, children. The third stage, you know children, the formation of eukinite, right? So here this is the formation of the eukinite. How can it formation? The zygote undergoes to long in length and slender and vermiform and motile like structure, children. That is called the eukinite. Now, the eukinite just pierce. Here observe children, the eukinite just pierce the crop of mosquito, right? It pierce the crop of mosquito and settle beneath the basement membrane. You observe children, it is the pierce the basement membrane, it pierce the crop of mosquito and settled just beneath the basement membrane. And to change, here children, round in shape, okay, that round in shape is called the oocyst. The round shape of eukinite, it form a layer around that body, right? That stage is called the oocyst. Children listen, the vermiform eukinite pierce the crop of mosquito and settle beneath or settle below the basement membrane and to form a round like structures. That round like structure parasite secrete a cyst-wall around the body, that is called the oocyst. The oocyst, you observe children, 50 to 500 oocysts are observed on the crop of mosquito, children. You know, this is the crop of mosquito. There is on crop of mosquito, 50 to 500 oocysts are observed by the Sir Ronald Ross. Okay children, Sir Ronald Ross. So here the Sir Ronald Ross observed 50 to 500 just like this, like oocysts are observed on the crop of mosquito. Okay. Now, see here, this is the oocyst now. The nucleus of oocyst, right, divides, undergoes to first one children, reduction division, and followed by the many repeated mitotic divisions. Okay. The nucleus of oocyst undergoes to reduction divisions and followed by that many repeated mitotic divisions and to form a many daughter nuclei. Children here, many daughter nuclei, right? Next after these daughter nuclei is called the sporoblast. Now the sporoblast, the nucleus of the sporoblast, again it divides into many daughter individuals that are called the nuclei. Then followed by that the cytoplasm of sporoblast also divides into many cytoplasmic bits. Then each nuclei, it is enclosed by that one cytoplasmic bit, children. Okay. Then these cytoplasmic bits is form a sporozoites. Now these sporozoites arranged, see here children, just like this. The sporozoites arranged here just like this, right? Now the formation of sporozoites from the oocyst is called the fourth stage, children, sporogony. What is the meaning of sporogony? The formation of sporozoites from the oocyst is called the sporogony. Simple listen children, once again, the nucleus of oocyst undergoes to first one reduction divisions and followed by the many repeated mitotic divisions and to form a daughter nuclei. Okay, next, a daughter nuclei is called a sporoblast. The nucleus of sporoblast again divides into minimum, children, 10,000 daughter nuclei. Again it is followed by that cytoplasmic division also. Each cytoplasmic division has one daughter nuclei and to form a sporozoites. So the formation of sporozoites from the oocyst is called a sporogony. Okay children. This is the sporocyst. The sporocytes are present in the stage is called the sporocyst. Now that the sporocyst, it is ruptured. You observed the sporocyst ruptured. The sporozoites are released into the salivary glands of mosquito. Right now, the sporocyst ruptured and the sporozoites are released into the salivary glands of mosquito. Now, this mosquito bites a new person. Again, the sporozoites, 2000 sporozoites enter into the, again, the new person children, enter into the blood and then they reach into the liver cell.